Assalamu alaikum. Today I have one very easy recipe which is called infamous Tim Hortons Tim Matin. So I make it on my own way, but similar to Tim Matin, which I am going to show you today how to make in microwave. We need microwave oven. That's it. So I have here one egg broken, and I have this English muffin, half pieces, one English muffin, and I need margarine or butter to spread on it, and one cheese slice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some black pepper and salt on the top of the egg. Then I put little bit of oil, just to moisture, and then I show you this way. Here the egg, already I put black pepper, uh, ground pepper and salt and little bit of oil. Now I'm gonna uh, put it inside the bowl, inside the microwave. I'm gonna put it inside and cover it with the lid, microwave lid. And I put it the time 1:20, 1 minute 20 seconds. That's it. And by this time I can spread the uh, margarine on the top of the English muffin. So I do it for a moment. I put the English muffin first inside the toaster, so it's gonna be toasted. After a while I gonna spread the margarine. So when the microwave is running, before its end, like 10 seconds or 5 seconds, you stop it, and now I have 6 seconds. So in 6 seconds I gonna put the cheese on it, and then I restart it. I put the cheese on the top, and now I restart it. It's left only 6 seconds. By 6 seconds it should be melted. The cheese should be melted. Good enough. And my toaster is running. It's running. It will take little while, maybe. I wait for the toaster, the English muffin. So the English muffin is already toasted. I got it out from toaster. So now I'm gonna spread the margarine, or you can use butter instead if you want. Margarine. top of the English muffin. Now here the egg is ready with the on the top of the cheese. So I'm gonna put the egg on the top of the bottom portion. And I put the other half on the top. An English muffin is ready. Tim Mate is ready. This is Tim Mate recipe. So I hope you enjoy. It's very easy, and for making fast breakfast, it's very convenient. Sometimes I make it for me, my family members, my wife, my son. I make it in 5 minutes. It takes only 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.